Good morning. It's July the 29th, a Friday morning. Welcome to our morning update. I'm Pat McClatchy. Looking at the markets overnight, we have agricultural markets down, crude oil markets down, the dollar's down, precious metals are mixed. Looking at the stock market, somewhat of a mixed view there. We've got the European markets up, the Chinese markets specifically are down, and the U.S. futures stock markets are down slightly. The story overnight seems to be, again, cotton market gets hit. We're down about 100 at 72.04. Last night, in the first hour of our trade, we made our high at 72.99. And last night, or during the morning hours, around 2:45, we made our low at 71.68. A similar pattern to what happened the night before. We seem to be seeing more activity during the night than we've seen. That could perhaps coincide with cash markets being hit during those very early hours. There could be cash markets looking overseas that are slipping. Looking at November soybeans, down 6 3/4 at 971 1/4, with a high of 984 1/2 and a low of 968 3/4. Also a very large range for overnight trading, but that is down 6 3/4 right now. December corn down 1 1/4 at 337 1/2, with a high of 339 3/4 and a low of 336. September wheat down 3 at 407 1/4, with a high of 412 1/2 and a low of 405 1/4. Again, it appears highs are made in the grains early in the evening, and then they begin to sell off. Crude oil down 41 cents a barrel. The dollar's down 53 points. Gold up a half cent, up about 40 cents. Silver is down 7 cents, and the S&P futures are down 2.8. The calendar for today, we do have coming out today the employment cost index at 7:30. I'm not really familiar with that one, but there's an important number coming out also at 7:30 in GDP. There's been some difference lately among analysts and the Fed in projecting GDP, and it looks like some are expecting that to be pushed down, some showing less growth. Okay, and then we've got Chicago PMI at 9 o'clock. And that's it. Have a good evening or have a good day, and we'll talk to you later in the afternoon. Thank you.